All right, so after we started the truck up and I noticed that there was a bunch of exhaust coming out of the wastegate tube, I started digging into it a little bit more, and we'll cut to some pictures of how much light is actually going between the wastegate valve seat and the fire ring. So I'm gonna take it apart and see if there's something that we can fix or if it's junk and we'll have to buy. Man, they had this thing on kill. They had all the springs in it.
That's not a 7-pound spring.
Diaphragm's not torn, but this is loose. And I watched a video last night where they actually figured out.
Rebuild them.
Yeah. What they did is they took it and they tightened these things here up. I'll take it apart. Oop. And maybe put a sort of lock that on there. Something never sees.
Put it upside down now. Push it all the way up to the seat.